Continuing with Chapter 12 for the eye. So our first objective is to pronounce organs and anatomic structures of the eye. So first let's talk about the function of the eye. So the eyes are organs of vision and are located in a bony protective cavity of the skull called the orbit. Only a small portion of the eye is visible from the exterior. So now I'll leave this slide up as we go through the organs and anatomic structures. So eye, organ of vision. Sclera, outer protective layer of the eye. The portion seen on the interior portion of the eyeball is referred to as the white of the eye. Cornea, transparent anterior part of the sclera which is anterior to the aqueous humor and lies over the iris. It allows the light rays to enter the eye. Choroid, middle layer of the eye which is interlaced with many blood vessels that supply nutrients to the eye. Iris, pigmented muscular structure that regulates the amount of light entering the eye by controlling the size of the pupil. Pupil, opening in the center of the iris. Lens, lies directly behind the pupil. Its function is to focus and bend light. Retina, innermost layer of the eye which contains the vision receptors. Aqueous humor, watery liquid found in the anterior cavity of the eye. It provides nourishment to nearby structures and maintains shape in the anterior part of the eye. Vitreous humor, jelly-like substance found behind the lens in the posterior cavity of the eye that maintains its shape. Meibomian glands, oil glands found in the upper and lower edges of the eyelids that help lubricate the eye. Lacrimal apparatus, network of glands, ducts, canals, and sacs that produce and drain tears. The lacrimal gland produces tears which then flow through the lacrimal ducts to cover the surface of the eye. Optic nerve carries visual impulses from the retina to the brain. Conjunctiva, mucous membrane lining the eyelids and covering the anterior portion of the sclera. So that was basically all of the parts that we just went over. Here's the visual surface of the eye and the lacrimal apparatus of the eye. So again, they're giving us the definition, and then our answer choices are the pronunciation terms. So I'm just going to give them to you here. And that will actually be it for Objective 1.